Hey guys! Today I will tell you facts about al-khazneh. So move toward our today's video. Al-khazneh, also known as the Treasury, is one of the most famous and impressive architectural wonders of the ancient city of Petra in Jordan. Here are some interesting facts about al-khazneh. History. Al-khazneh is believed to have been built in the 1st century AD by the Nabataeans, a nomadic Arab people who controlled the trade routes of the ancient world. The Nabataeans carved many of their buildings and structures into the sandstone cliffs of Petra. And the treasury is one of their most impressive creations. Architecture. The facade of al-khazneh is carved directly into the red sandstone cliff, which is 40 meters tall. The structure is around 30 meters wide and features intricate carvings including gods, goddesses, and mythological creatures, reflecting the influence of different cultures, including Greek, Roman, and Egyptian. Name. The treasury is named after the belief that the Nabataeans used it as a treasury to store their valuable possessions. However, there is no evidence to support this theory. Movie connection. Al-khazneh became famous beyond its archaeological significance after featuring in the 1989 movie Indiana Jones and the Last Crusade. The treasury was used as the entrance to the fictional temple where the Holy Grail was stored, leading to an increase in tourism in the region. Surrounding area. Al-khazneh is just one of many impressive structures in Petra, which is considered one of the most unique and fascinating archaeological sites in the world. The city was a hub of trade, connecting Asia and Europe, and is believed to have been home to around 30,000 people at its peak. Lighting. The treasury is particularly beautiful at sunrise and sunset, when the sun illuminates the rock facade in a stunning shade of pink. Tourists often gather to watch the transformation of the rock as the light changes throughout the day. Mysteries. Despite being extensively studied, there is still much about al-khazneh and the Nabataean civilization that remains a mystery. Researchers are still discovering new information about how the Nabataeans lived and what their culture and beliefs were. If this video is helpful for you, then like and share my video and subscribe my YouTube channel.